Okay, I bought some new earphones today. These are wired earphones from Realme. These are Realme Buds 2 Neo. Now, starting with the box itself, it comes packaged in a compact yellow box, and you can see some earphone specification on the side of the box, like driver size on the left and some other information like 90-degree angle jack on the right. Opening the box greets us with the warranty card and some extra ear tip. The packaging itself seems nice and length is good too. Now talking about the build quality, the wire is made with some sort of rubberized material which feels a bit grippy to touch. It has only one button in the middle to play pause music or connect or disconnect calls. Now talking about the fit and comfort, these are extremely comfortable, like somehow they feel more comfortable than my 2000 rupee Realme neckband. The angled earpiece really helps to fit perfectly in your ear and creates a passive noise cancellation effect. I have also used both earphones in this price range, and I have to say it does sound better than them. And the fact that it creates a passive noise cancellation effect also helps. It also has angle jack connectors, so if you game with these earphones, it will be more comfortable. But I only have one complaint with these earphones, that in this price range both offers 1 year warranty, but Realme offers only 6 months warranty. Other than that, for 499, it is a perfectly serviceable product with a good feature set. If you are planning to buy it, consider checking out the link in the description, as it will help me a lot. And on that note, like, share and subscribe. I will see you later. This is the mic quality of Realme Buds 2 Neo, and you can judge the mic quality via this voice sample.